beautiful people, it's Rakita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to share another company where you can get financing for furniture, mattresses. You have to get tire repairs, just multiple stores you can actually get financing for. And it's just like the Acima credit that I showed you guys yesterday. It's just like that. But I actually got approved for this company because people was asking, hey, is there a place I can go and get furniture where it's not going to be a credit check with the 3 credit bureaus? And this company would actually approve you. And they would actually approve you for up to $3,000. All you have to do is just go to the store and you can go ahead and finance different items. And they even have some reviews here if you want to go ahead and read these reviews. But again, you can get approved up to $3,000. What they're going to do is they're going to look into your bank account, see what type of transactions you have. You had any late payments. They're going to look at those different items. And then after they look at those items, then they'll find out how much they want to approve you for based off your income. So this is the website here. All you have to do is go to snapfinance.com. And let's go ahead and click right here where it says apply now. And then I'm going to ask you, hey, have you completed the application with us before or not? And you say yes if you have, and no if it's your first time. And if you click no, they're going to try to give you some information about them, about their terms, which is about they're going to take about 12 to 18 months. They're going to give you a 12 to 18 month lease. That means you'll be able to have the option to pay these items off. If you don't want the items, they say you can return the merchandise to Snap too, you guys. You can cancel at any time. But let's go ahead and just start the application. When I applied for Snap, I got approved for $1,200. When I did the Acima, I got approved for $2,175. So yeah, it's very easy for you guys to start, but yeah, all you have to do is just go ahead and just put your phone number in. Let me see if I can find the application. Well, let's go ahead. I'm going to try to see if I can get the application. Oh, they want to look me up this way. Let's see if we can just kind of look behind the screen and see what they're going to need. So they're going to need your first and last name. They're going to need your email address. And then they're going to want you to have a cell phone because they're going to want to text you different things to your cell phone. So if you don't have a mobile phone, let them know. But they do want you to have a mobile phone. And they want to know if it's a smartphone or if it's a basic mobile phone. If you don't have a social, that's okay because you can use an I-10. For those people that don't have a social, you can put your social in and then they want you to confirm it. Put your address in and then they want to know how long you've been at that address and whether or not you rent or own it. They're going to want to know your date of birth, your driver's license number, and then your state. And then they're going to want you to put down some references. And references to me, think about it like this. These are the people they're going to call if you don't pay. That's what I think of those people as. These are the people that they're going to call if you don't pay. And then they want you to go ahead and they said they're going to send you some promotional messages. You can agree to it or not. And then you can click that you're not a robot and click continue. Now, they're going to want your bank account information. So they're going to want your bank account information. When they get your bank account information, then they'll let you know right after that how much you're approved for. Like I told you guys, I was approved for $1,200. I didn't actually use the credit, but I just wanted to get approved just to tell you guys, the process. So I got approved for $1,200. If you guys are interested in doing this, definitely go ahead and check them out. Don't forget, I have the Acima video too, where I actually got approved for more money. But like I said, check it out. And with Acima, you have 90 days, same as cash. I'm not sure if Snap have that also, but it's just another alternative option that you guys can use. Remember, the sooner you pay these items back, the less money you will spend on interest. That's really big, and it's something that you guys really need to understand. If you do not pay these items back, if you just wait a long time, so if you pay it back in like 12 to 18 months, then you're going to pay the maximum amount of interest that they're going to charge you. But if you pay it back right away, then they're not going to charge you too much in interest. But if you guys are interested in knowing about the secondary bureaus, if you guys need to start working on your credit, definitely think about joining my exclusive membership. With my exclusive membership, as long as you're a member, you guys will have access to free credit repair. If you guys want to repair your credit yourself, you guys will have access to my dispute letters also. And remember, we have some type of game night every first of the month. So we're going to do bingo again, have 4 winners. So hopefully you guys will join us. And if you guys approve for this credit, definitely let me know in the comments. If you guys have any Other questions like, hey, Rakita, let me know about this type of company. I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to get proof for a car. I'm trying to get proof for a house. Let me know and I can make you a video. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.